Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the artist of a particular song on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and search for that particular song that you are interested in, either from your homepage or by clicking on the search icon down below and type in the title of that song that you are interested in and you would like to know the artist of. Here you should tap on the three dots icon next to the title, scroll down till you find the view artist option, click on it, and then you will find the page of that particular artist or brand that you are interested in. Here you can still see their most popular songs, their playlists, popular releases, and their other albums. Then you can also see their tours and see all the concerts. Here are all of them, and you can also have a look at their merch. So you are ready to purchase from. If you go back, you can also get to know the band itself. There is this about section, so if you click on it you are going to find an introduction, and there are also recommended bands that are similar to the one that you have searched for. So basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.